This is intake, this is Project Z. I need to stop buying pieces of shit. All we wanted to do was wash the car and we were like a wombat stuck down his burrow in a flood. Pretty much fucked. So the first thing we're going to do to begin is remove everything from the car that we can. So that includes the cushion with your mum's dandruff on there. No trim, but I have found a comic book. Oh my... What? Who keeps borrowing this car? So when you're going to clean your most intimate parts, they are the parts that only the most trusted of people are allowed to come inside of. You want to start by giving it a good sucking. Vacuuming, the only show on the internet that brings together cars, chickens, and beers. Fucking lovely at 7:30 in the morning. Well, after a quick but thorough cleansing, this area already looks more inviting to a potential mate that you might have for a ride along in your car. So as you can see, the castings are pretty good, the filter casings are nice and firm, and the knobs to get the filters off, like, they twist pretty easily. For an $80 piece of equipment, I'd say that this is a pretty good pair of bolt-ons. Just make sure you always give that little tight area at the top of the opening a bit of a rub too, and it'll always come nice and clean. Window tint removal should be a 2 to 3 beer job. 2 beers for a coupe, 3 beers for something bigger. 4 or 5 beers if you've got a bus. That's a 2+2 in these things. It might sound a little bit rude, however this space is anything but dirty. These are seats. This is a car. They're going in it. And if they're removable, always remember to clean your flaps. So now that the car has become so clean already, it doesn't matter if we wipe from back to front. This is a real dirty knob. I actually think this is the first time I've ever cleaned a knob in the car. What do you think, Gertrude? Gunmetal grey? I think it looks pretty good too. Buck, buck, buck. Don't forget to hit the like button if you did enjoy it, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, hit the notification bell because that lets you know when we upload videos, and comment below.